Bro, do Benihana. Do a switch Benihana.
Hey guys, welcome to BigDeckEnergy. It was super windy and there were a lot of kids at the park yesterday, so you guys get me in voiceover mode. So one of the challenges I wanted to give myself with the Grind King lockers was I wanted to get a solid 50-50 on a round rail. I've only 50'd a round rail like one other time, and it was literally just a tap on and off. So one of my goals with these was to get a solid 50-50 come off the end. Also hopefully get a cross lock 50-50. So let's go check it out. Alright, so we start off with board slide, get a little crook. Those are the two tricks I have on round rails. Everything else I'm not great at. Then we get right into the 50-50s, and it only takes a couple of tries for me to finally get one. Yeah, you can see here, a little 50 transfer. I was happy with that, but of course, you know, wanted to go further, get off the end of the rail, and maybe look cool. But yeah, this has always been a problem for me. Like, I skate square rails and I can do 50s, but you can see I'm getting confident here. A little transfer action. I always just transfer over to the other side and then want to come straight off. And that is starting to feel pretty good. I'm getting more and more confident as we go, hit the camera. But again, just stuck transferring, and I've really locked myself into kind of the wrong lock-in here. My lock-ins are going front foot heel side lock-in, back foot toe side lock-in, and I really want to get it to where I am front foot toe side and back foot heel side, because I feel like that's definitely the better way to lock in on front 50s. Getting a little better. That was probably my best one so far there. Still a weird lock-in, but came off the end. Felt better about that. Here you see the back end, and you can really see those trucks are locking into their groove, looking real nice. Okay, now here I finally hit the proper cross lock, but I fumbled pretty bad. Then this guy comes in, does a board slide, so of course I had to come in and do a board slide too to establish dominance. And a little front board tap, why not? And then finally we roll up and get that proper lock in. Back foot heel, front foot toe side. Felt pretty good. So yeah, quickly after that I run away to the quarter pipe so I can save my ego. But yeah, I mean, we got our 50-50 cross locked. You can definitely tell these trucks are helping whenever you're on the rail. The grooves that are already there really help with that balance once you get in the cross lock. My problem was just I had to get more board control to where I got the proper cross lock, and once I was doing that, it felt really good. So yeah, at least the main feature for these trucks is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. But that's going to be it for me today. I've got a video coming later this week for how they're doing on the mini ramp, and we'll be doing some slappies later on. And I got a few more tests we gotta do on these before we get a solid idea of how good they are. They're pretty good so far, but we gotta figure it out for sure. Anyway, Big Deck out.
You know, do like 8, 9 kickflips in a session. Do them downstairs. Do some everywhere. Do a kickflip, man. It's pretty cool.